America, Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, and Oceania. As you can see, this works worldwide. You don't need a camera or any other skill to get paid. Stay tuned to learn how. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more such videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. Go to YouTube, sign in with your Gmail account and create a YouTube channel first. Then you should find a niche for your YouTube channel. In this case, I took dogs. You can choose any niche you like. So search for dogs. Then you should filter it with Creative Commons, and you'll get a ton of videos out here. So you choose any of these videos, and we are going to make YouTube shorts. Guys, please don't skip this video. You should follow the steps from this video and set up the passive income stream in just 20 minutes or less. So you choose a video, you should get the link out here, copy it, go to Google and type YouTube downloader, and you can choose any of the downloaders accounts, paste the link and download the video. Next, you should go to canva.com. Canva has a paid version as well, but you can do this with the free version. You can go to videos and you should go to this mobile video. Go to uploads and upload the video you downloaded. Then you can play around with this and crop the video. Choose a small part. Next, you need to add a text. Just choose whatever the text you prefer. Type link in description. Copy paste. Okay, now you should download this from here, download, and it gets downloaded. This will take about a minute to get downloaded. In this video, we are making money by two methods, not by monetization, not by YouTube ads. Don't skip the video or watch till the end. After it gets downloaded, come to your YouTube account and upload the video and select the file from your computer. And just give it a title, cute pug dance with a cute pug dance with a baby. Something, you should give something eye-catchy, and obviously you have to mention hashtag shorts to be featured in YouTube shorts. Then you should give the description, copy the title, paste it, and you should give the attributes, licensed under Creative Commons by attribution, and any copyright concern, contact us at email at so this is your description, and there will be two monetization methods. So you monetization method 1,
monetization method 2. And as I said, there will be two monetization methods. For the first method, you should go to ClickBank, accounts.clickbank.com/marketplace, and find search for dogs and sort results by gravity. So as you can see here, brain training for dogs, unique dog training course, easy sale, Vive Mobile. So in this case, you get $31.64 per conversion. So imagine how many people watch your YouTube short and how many will convert this to a sale. So you click promote, and here you put your account nickname and tracking ID, then generate the hop link and you'll get your affiliate link, and come back to the description and put your link down here, brain training for dogs, and put your link down here. And the monetization method 2, of course, Teespring. Teespring is a website that sells merchandise all over the world, and you can have your own store. You don't have to produce any of the merchandises, you just have to design it and have your own store, have your own profit margin. So you should start designing. First of all, sign up using your Gmail and start designing. Here we are going to sell a dog t-shirt. So here you can make many products actually, like trending t-shirts, mugs, phone covers, many more things. You can play around with this site, you can see. So in this case, I'm just making a t-shirt for an example. In this case, you know your niche and you can design whatever you like here and sell on your YouTube channel. So I'll just make a sample. Go to pexels.com. This gives you free stock photos and videos shared by talented creators. So search for dogs. I'll search for pug, and you get many beautiful photos of pugs. So I'll choose this one, free download, and go back to Teespring, add image. Just play around with this, guys. So just added image. You can add text as well, design something unique, and you can even add more colors for the product, just like this. And play around with this and see your set price. You can change this set price. It's 26.99 for the US, so I'll make it, if I make it like 24, your profit will be $7 per sale. You can make it 30, your profit will be $13 per sale. This is for only t-shirts. As I said before, you can design any of the products you find here. So you can continue, and here also you can choose the products as well. You can change the prices and just continue and get the link of this product. You can give a nice title, description, and publish the listing. Sample, then publish, and you'll be directed to your Teespring dashboard, and you can check the payout methods and everything out here. If you're promoting this t-shirt, you can get this code, copy link, go to YouTube again, paste the link here and describe what you're selling, and go ahead and publish the video. No copyright issues found. Publish the video, and in order to get more and more engagement for your videos, you should upload videos every day. So in this case, you can make a ton of money, and this will be a passive income for you. So keep on uploading videos like this, stick to a specific niche, but I recommend you use your own videos for this. So when you start this, you can go with a specific niche, as I said earlier, and get these Creative Commons videos. And when you progress, you can shoot your own videos. And I actually recommend that you create your own content. I'm not talking about facing a camera and making your content. I'm talking about the faceless YouTube channels. And I do have a premium YouTube course down below. You can see how my buddy Matt Parr runs 9 different profitable YouTube channels and makes 6 figures from them. In any case, we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming uploads, then make sure you click that red subscribe button. So this is something you can definitely start doing and make some passive income. And I also have 2 passive income videos of mine in your screen right now. You can check those out as well. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos.